Earlier,
Yes, sir.
I didn't follow money rules. I didn't respect the money laws. That's why money moved far away from me. But definitely money is going to stay with me because I'm going to follow money rules. I'm going to respect money rules. Remember carefully. Okay? I choose wisdom before money. I choose wisdom before money. Wisdom is more important than money. So if I'm not having the knowledge, if you are going to give 1 lakh crores also, sorry, single paisa also won't be remaining. Automatically that money by default will go. Next, I will save money with the discipline. So discipline must be required. Okay, small reasons also. Next, you are disturbing your routine is not at all recommended. Okay, like that. Next, I will invest with the understanding. Clearly, I will get the knowledge. Once I have full clarity, then only I'm going to invest. Then only I'm going to invest. Okay, like that. I will protect my hard-earned money. I will protect my hard-earned money. I will not chase impossible returns. I will grow slowly, steadily, and safely. Slowly, safely, and steadily. My wealth should require to create. That's it. These are 5 laws of gold you people should aware. Law number 1, save at least 10%. Pay yourself first. Save first, spend later. That is the first rule. Second one, don't make that saved money idle. Okay, are to make sleep. Compulsory, you require to provide some profitable employment for your saved money. Money has to work. Money has to generate money. That is the real wealth. Okay. For that, employment you require to provide for your money. Money has to generate money. Money has to work very hardly. That thing must be required.